Why is it that so many women really struggle in midlife? And how can we get to midlife and know so little about how hormones affect every single cell in our body? My name's Helen McGillivray. I'm a nurse, I'm an accredited CBT therapist, and I have a real passion for acceptance and commitment therapy. And in my work, I help women move from just surviving to really thriving in midlife. I'm going to be collaborating with Willingness Malta, and on no better day than International World Women's Day, we're going to be talking about these very questions and bringing it to life. We're going to look at how these hormones affect our psychological and physical health, and just looking at the processes of acceptance and commitment therapy and how to help them move women from a place of just surviving to really thriving. I really hope you'll join us.